Hi, I'm Dan from Newco Coffee here at Newco Enterprises in St. Charles, Missouri. Today I'd like to show you how to brew delicious iced coffee using our patent-pending stainless steel insert. So let's review what we have here. We've got our plastic base, the plastic Carlisle dispenser, our patent-pending stainless steel insert, stainless steel lid, plastic lid, drip tray, and iced coffee. So, first thing we're going to do is take our stainless steel lid and place it on the plastic dispenser. And then we're going to place the stainless steel insert inside of the dispenser. Now, a couple things about this stainless steel insert. You'll notice that it has two unique compartments. The first chamber here has no holes in it, and we call this the cooling chamber. The second chamber here has holes and horizontal slats to allow for ice to melt. We call this the dilution chamber. We're going to fill both sides up with ice. The cooling chamber we're going to fill all the way to the top with ice, and the dilution chamber we're going to fill up with ice depending upon our recipe. If we're brewing for a half gallon, we're going to fill to this first line, and if we're brewing 1 gallon, we'll fill to the second line. So we'll place the stainless steel insert inside the dispenser. We're going to be sure when we're doing this that the dilution chamber with the holes is placed towards the rear of the dispenser. Now we can add ice. And it's all the way to the top for the cooling chamber, to the first line for a half gallon, and to the top line for a full gallon. All right, we're now going to place this dispenser on top of this base, and we're almost ready to start brewing. We've got our standard filter basket with a paper filter inside. And now we're going to add our coffee. Today we're using the Newco black iced coffee, which was specifically sourced and roasted for cold coffee applications. We're going to give the basket a little shake, which evens out the bed for proper brewing. Once the filter is in place, we can now place the dispenser underneath, again making sure that the dilution chamber in the rear of the dispenser is directly under the coffee basket. And we'll now hit our iced coffee brewing button. All right, it's been about 5 minutes and our iced coffee is done brewing. So we'll take our dispenser and set it up on our counter. If you take a look, you'll notice that in the back chamber, the dilution chamber, all the ice has melted. This has now brought the coffee into the perfect balance and strength, as well as chilling the beverage down so it can be added to a cup of ice without melting and diluting your iced coffee. Place the drip tray underneath, place the lid on top, and we are ready to go. So in just 5 minutes, we've been able to prepare delicious, fresh iced coffee utilizing existing brewing equipment such as the Newco TVT brewer. And we've got delicious Newco iced coffee. That's good.